Hello YouTube, new machine in my shop or room. I bought it for $211 including shipping, which is DHL, and it arrived. I bought on Friday and arrived on Monday. Practically 1 or 2 business days. Amazingly fast, and I'm filming this second time because just ruined it by plugging in this repeater host, which I usually don't use because I'm inserting SD card inside, and it just stopped printing. So usually it is better to print from SD card because, for example, this computer has bad USB connectors which can move and disconnect, and printing will be immediately stopped. So highly improvised blower, hood blower, redirect. I printed this one. I'm a little bit reluctant to mount it because pre-mounted head is, to my knowledge, is wrongly. It should be rotated 90 degrees so that those wires goes between inside this slot and extending out. So far I printed another one. Not good work because temperature is too low, but also from Thingiverse this is wrong dimension for different printer, for different printing head. This is MK8. Where is the blower? Now it should be like this. There are 2 holes, so I should to move this, but I have no tool right now for moving. And this should be like this, very close to the surface, not touching surface. It is very tight fit, so no need to glue or anything. Whistle blower. This whistle doesn't look good. Also, when I peeked, when I looked at the temperature, I did not put proper temperature. It is by default 210 degrees Celsius, but I went to sleep, and during night this room cooled because I'm firing stove, and it ruined top and sounds pretty bad. What else? In the beginning I had problem. I printed this one pretty good, but surface is wobbly. That is because this coupler, aluminum, very soft, and very sharp threaded rods. When you put inside, it will bite inside and make eccentric. When you tighten, there is 2 kind of screws, one which make narrower and one which prevent to slip rod. This screw may push little bit rod off axis, and this causes whole things to play, to dance. And now I rectified most of it, but not 100%. Another problem during assembly. Those rings you can see here, 4 aluminum rings with screw. This holds actually hold things so that this rod doesn't bend when you tighten too much this belt. On this picture it is outside. This is wrong. So people, this is wrong. When you build it properly inside. What else? For fun, I will try to change filament color, just to show you how it is easy. And because this red plastic is excellent for everything, because of mechanical properties, it is much better than other colors. I believe that pigment inside plastic plays some important role. Okay, now it's 40% in print, and I see that head this filament guide is about half, and now I will change filament. So let's choose color red and yellow. When you pull out of extruder, it will look something like this. Just use some tool and snap off this part and prepare for making and you can count time how it takes. Change filament and wait. It will stop and you can hear noise. Now it's moving head up and that's it. With this package you will get every tools except you will get even a rasp, get a tool for head alignment when you change nozzle so that you align properly, thickness of filament, screwdriver with exchangeable magnet is not the best, so it will fall off, but hey, all you need extra is a pair of 17 millimeters to tighten the bottom part. And the important things, one of many, do not move anything around because it will ruin print. Now it's still printing red, now begins to print yellow. Okay, after changing color, I'm not sure whether the light is correct. You can see that it begins to print yellow and the camera is not focused. Okay. I mean, it can be printed faster, but no need for that. Don't rush anywhere. If you have production, of course, you want to print in shortest time, but for personal use, I think this is speed okay. I can increase speed, but I think no needed. I don't know. This speed is satisfactory. Printer is not too loud. Somebody claimed that it's loud. I don't know. Maybe at faster speed. And it will take 1 hour 20 minutes to finish. So. I don't know what is wrong with this right side. This opposite, I mean, probably, I don't know. I will see later. I'm not sure. This exit part when it rises head on this layer, like so. So it remains extra plastic. Now it finishes top part or bottom part, it depends how you look. Okay, a little bit of sagging, but nothing important. I should to tweak it and test again temperature and the percentage of filament, how much. Now is 115%, but I should to check which is the best. It puts 2 or 3 layers crisscrossed, so that is not a problem. Before retraction, it will be good that actually retract earlier, but Maybe in firmware there is some option. I'm not sure in Cura there is option for. Now my battery on the smartphone is battery saving. So let's turn some other light. Finish it. Okay, now disable steppers, prepare, disable steppers, and now reel to move. Just trim off brim. Maybe you need a little bit cut this part. Sorry, most of the time it is off screen. I'm watching this not in monitor, but yeah, this is it. And now we have this part. It exactly fits here, and instead making here mess, just put here. Now, beautiful. Yeah. So finally the question, conclusion. About question, many people asking, including myself, is it worth spend $200 or a little bit more for a printer? I say yes, absolutely. I'm able to assemble this printer? This is big question. Yes. I hope that everybody can assemble, no matter how days. For me, it takes 2 days to assemble and a few more days to tweak and understand how when temperature change, what change, infill, what is what, and plus installing all that software, Cura or Maker or whatsoever you're using. Plus I'm learning how to use Fusion 360, how to use Blender and other design programs, Autodesk CAD program or whatsoever. So as you can see, job is done. It takes 1 minute, 1 hour, 22 minutes. In Cura you will see how much time it takes, so you can speed up a little bit also on display. On this you can roll to 200%, but instead of when you make something useful, better to make some test print. Okay, thank you people for watching. If you have some question about or some suggestion what I should to print, notify me in the comment section below. I will include link on eBay where about this printer, about from Germany. This is Chinese product, moved to Germany so that I do not pay taxes, customs fee or something, and it arrived in 1 or 2, let's say, working days, Friday to Monday, and it is excellent experience. Yes, a little bit pain in the ass to assembly. I mean, labor intensive, but it is rewarded. Now you have a printer which can print what you want. If you have no idea how to make a project, you have Thingiverse. I bet you can find everything you want. And sometimes you will be tempted to print even, I don't know, some toys, unnecessary. I mean, about plastic, I bought plastic locally in my country, which is actually in Croatia, in Zagreb, but origin manufacturer is in Poland. I did this because shipping cost is very high if you buy from China. This is first thing. Second thing, you don't know what you're buying if there is no some brand name. Doesn't matter which one. Um, on each spool or on package there should be notification of a range of temperatures. Minimum temperature for this is 180 degrees and maximum 220. Usually PLA is that, but it may vary between each brand. Minimum temperature, this means that minimum usable temperature, it maybe begins to melt on 180 degrees, 170 degrees Celsius. And over that I tried 260 degrees, and it begins to discolor, destroy pigments. Okay, I'm talking too much. Sorry for that. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe if you doesn't. Okay, bye bye.